Guys, today we're replacing the GDI fuel pump on a 2015 Honda Fit. The part is literally right under this plastic right here. So once you take this off, you're gonna see it right there. And all it's been held by is by a plug here, this line, that line, and then two Allen bolts there. And then just gotta be careful you don't break these lines right here. This is plastic, this one right there. And basically, if you have the new part, you can see where the bolts go and where the connector goes. So it's easy as replacing, taking this off, and it's right there. You can't miss it. And we'll go out, take it out of there, put it somewhere on the corner there. Make sure, you know, since it's ground, don't touch any ground here. If you want to be more safe, take out the positive as well. As you can see, you got two bolts right here, the Allen ones. You got this line right here. That's probably a 17 or 19 wrench. And then you got the clip that clips onto this fuel line there. So, and then the plug. That's all this. I was able to get the other one on the top. I have my boy David, you know, because this is one of those jobs where I'm like, should I take it or not? Because that's just too tight. And the bottom one is being a pain in the butt. And when you buy the new one, they come like this. And that's why, because probably the technician at Honda was complaining that they also probably stripped them. They had to drill it out, whatever they did to take it out. Shit, David took out the other one. The motherfucker, that shit was in there like there's no tomorrow. Yeah, seriously. Nice, perfect. Yes, I take all that out, yeah. Yes, I clip. For this one right here, that line, that's he used a 3/4, basically 19. And then once you remove those two bolts, the plug here, and then this clip that goes like this, you push it up and it slides right out. Look, I took it out and motherfucker was stuck. This is no good no more. They're stuck in there. So the new bolts come with a 10mm bolt. That's why they revised these bolts, because those bolts, I guarantee you that the dealership had issues with that all the time. So anyways, with that being said, basically is removing it, installing this one, putting back everything, you know, how you took it out. This old crusty dusty part. You can see the spring too is further out. The new one is more in. So I'm not sure on the code that they got. You know, they called me to just replace it. You know, they told them that they need to get that replaced. I didn't check the codes because I didn't have the scanner. So you also clean the mating surfaces. You know, you're gonna take a gen or something and then clean all that around, because when you put this gasket here, you want to make sure that surface is real clean as much as you can. So the new one that they got, I'm not sure where they got it from. I'm not sure if it's OEM. So the old one doesn't come with a gasket, and it also doesn't come with the bolts are different. These bolts fit directly on the fit. The bolts that came with this are too small. They're 10mm bolts, and I thought the reason why they were different was because they revised them, but no, they're smaller and they don't fit on here, or they don't fit on the actual fit. They don't fit there. So we're just gonna go back with the old bolts and then tighten as much as we can and call it. Pulling it back is easy as just putting it in there. Put the bolts, connect the line, the fuel, the connector over there, and you should be calling it a day. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. David, thank you again. Thank you for helping me. Without him, I wouldn't be able to take those bolts out, and the job would have been a freaking mess, because I probably would have stripped that so bad that I would have to drill it and God knows what else. But you want to say something to the camera?
The best of the best.
That was our Monster Mechanic. Got it done, brand new, installed, turned on right away. No more check engine light. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys find anything useful. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.